Welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. Welcome to Crafty With It, and welcome if you're new. Thank you for joining me today. I don't have any how-tos planned today. I have about I want to say three. I got 3 tumblers that I have to make for an order that's got to be done by tomorrow, so I will be making those and I'll bring you along with that. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to continue on with Vlogmas as of the 13th. My husband's surgery has been scheduled, so I will be at the U of M hospital for about a week. So unfortunately, Vlogmas will end on the 13th for me. He is in the process of, he's got stage 4 colon cancer, which I don't know if I really talked about it too much on this channel, but he has been he did chemo for a little over 2 years through Carmanos. We weren't getting anywhere. The doctor wasn't, doctor didn't want to do anything, just keep him on chemo indefinitely. So he went and we got a second opinion at the University of Michigan. Within a month of having his second opinion, he was in for surgery, had the piece of cancer that was in his colon taken out, and had this 3 spots that were on the left side of his liver taken out. This surgery here is going to absolutely remove his right side of his liver, and it's scheduled for next week. The 15th it's scheduled for. So that's what the GoFundMe link is down below to help us pay for our bills and everything for when he's gone, because we do have a running farm, and so we still got our animals to feed, our normal bills to pay. So I do have a GoFundMe link down below. If you want to contribute, you can. If not, that's fully understandable. But yeah, so that's where that's at. So he gets the right side of his liver taken out. They're going to keep his liver pump in that they installed during his big surgery last time. It's like a hockey puck, and it's installed underneath of his skin, and he gets chemo that goes directly to his liver, as well as the systemic chemo that goes into, he's got a port on this side, on his right side, that he has chemo going to every 2 weeks. He hasn't had his chemo treatment since September, though, because he was first scheduled for the surgery November 2nd. That got canceled because he ended up with the C19, and so they couldn't do it that day, and then he had to wait 28 days after that before he could have a surgery. So his next surgery date was November 28th. The doctor, the Friday, which was on a Monday, it's supposed to be on a Monday, the Friday after Thanksgiving, the doctor called us and stated he had a family emergency and he didn't know when he was going to be back, so he was going to have a different surgeon schedule it. So we've been waiting since the day after Thanksgiving to get this rescheduled. So he's actually got a surgeon that does liver transplants that's going to be doing his surgery, so high hopes everything goes well. I kind of think it was a blessing in disguise that we ended up, having a liver transplant surgeon that's going to be doing it. But so he had a choice between the 15th or the 21st, and he don't want to be in the hospital on Christmas Day, so we opted for the 15th. So that takes me to where my dad's having back surgery on the 14th, and I'm going to be there for that. So my Vlogmas will end on December 13th. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I'm sorry I had to end it so soon, but let's get busy on making these tumblers. I've already got the images printed out, and I'll show you them in a moment. Okay, the first one is a bingo. And this one was a special request that I made. And then the next one's Dental Life. Get them all cut and ready to go on the tumblers. I'll use a clear ruler and a rotary blade. I just line them up and cut as close to the edge of the colors as I can. You do that on 3 sides, and then the last side I leave about quarter of an inch to overlap it on the tumbler. And just continue on cutting them. All 3 tumblers have been wrapped and taped. Heat press is ready. So I'm going to start pressing them. My heat press is set up at 370 for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, I'll rotate it. I'll put the tape on first, tape up first, and then after 30 seconds, I'll rotate it and have the tape on the bottom. presses off. I am going to show you the tumblers. This is the dental one. They're still quite hot. This is the boyfriend. There's a little bit of ghosting at the top of it. And then this is the bingo one. This one's still really hot. I am going to let those cool off. Once they cool off, I put the lids on them. I put my card inside of them. That way they have my card. And then I package them up. And I think that's it for today. Thank you for following along with me today on making tumblers for customers. If you like my video, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and you will be notified every time I make a video. Happy Vlogmas Day 9.